Welcome to Esther Spa Crypto for Women. This is Esther Spa's second lesson on cryptocurrency for beginners. Let's start.
Today, we'll explore the essential tools and what you need to know to start your crypto journey with confidence. Being informed about the trends in cryptocurrency can help you in two ways. One is to be able to engage meaningful conversations, and second, it will help you make wise decisions about your money. Let's start with the basics. Cryptocurrency is different from traditional currency in unique ways. Crypto coins are digital tokens, not physical money, and they're not stored in banks. Instead, they're recorded on a decentralized network of computer node systems named blockchain, designed to be highly resistant to hacking. As a curious smart woman beginning to explore the topic of cryptocurrency, you may have many questions about how to start on that journey. So let's start by answering some basic questions and give you definitions of important terminologies used in the crypto arena and the names associated with the technology tools that operate cryptocurrency. To begin, let's answer the question, where do I go to buy cryptocurrency? For some of you, this is an obvious question, but honestly, this is a wide world and not everyone knows where or how to purchase crypto coins. For you who don't know where to buy crypto coins, there is no need to be embarrassed. You are not alone. You are to be highly commended for seeking to learn. That is exactly what an intelligent, smart person does when they don't know something. So congratulations! Watch this video till the end, and you will become well informed on the important basics of cryptocurrency. You are taking the right step. So how do you buy crypto coins? Great question. Let's talk about two tools that you must have ready before you can buy your first crypto coin. Those two tools are a crypto app and a crypto wallet. A crypto app is an online platform you can download to your computer or to your phone. Crypto apps are free of charge. A crypto app connects to your bank account and allows you to buy, sell, and trade crypto coins. There are many crypto app services available on the internet, but not all of them sell every crypto coin. So before you download your crypto app, you must first decide which crypto coin you want to buy, and then look for a crypto app that sells that specific coin. For example, the Coinbase App and Crypto.com app don't currently support the XRP coin. If you're interested in purchasing the XRP coin, you must download an app that sells XRP. Some crypto apps that support XRP are the Uphold App, Bitrue App, the Binance US App, and the Kraken app. After you download your crypto app, you must set up your profile and verify the app with proper identification documents before you can buy your coin. Once the app is set up and verified, you can use that app at any time to buy the coins that it supports. Currently, the minimum limit of coins you can buy is $10, which is perfect for beginners to learn the process. The other tool you must have and must download and set up before you buy your crypto coin is a crypto wallet. A crypto wallet is a secure digital storage space for cryptocurrency. While it is not a physical wallet, it is where you will store your crypto coins after you purchase them. There are two main types of crypto wallets referred to as hot wallets and cold wallets. Hot wallets are also called digital wallets. They are connected to the internet and are generally free to download and user-friendly. Some crypto apps contain a built-in digital wallet, but if you wish to keep your coins stored separately from the app platform, you can download a different digital wallet. There are many to choose from. Some user-friendly digital wallets for beginners are Coinbase Wallet, Trust Wallet, and Exodus. When you are ready to download a wallet, keep in mind that not all digital wallets support every single coin, so choose a digital wallet that supports the coins you wish to buy. For example, not all wallets support the XRP coin. The most trusted wallets that support the XRP coin are the Zum wallet, the Ledger Nano X wallet, the Nano S Plus wallets, the Trust wallet, and the Exodus wallet. Sometimes in a conversation about crypto, you will hear the term mobile wallet. A mobile wallet is a digital wallet that you can download from the internet to your mobile phone or to any of your mobile electronic devices that communicate with the internet. Mobile wallets are also free to download. Some of the most common mobile wallets for cell phones are the Coinbase wallet, the Trust wallet, and Exodus. Now let's talk about cold wallets or hardware wallets. Cold wallets or hardware wallets are physical devices similar to an USB drive that store your crypto coin records offline. They are less convenient to use and less user-friendly, but they offer the highest security for your coins. Because they are offline devices, they are out of the reach of malware and online hackers. The most common hardware wallets are Ledger and Trezor. Security is paramount when dealing with cryptocurrency. Whatever type of wallet you choose, it will generate 2 essential keys needed to operate them and to access your crypto coin logged in the blockchain network. And here is a very important tip. Paying close attention to details when setting up your crypto app account is critical to avoid running into roadblocks later. For example, your name on the crypto app must match your name in your bank account exactly. Your crypto app will not access your bank account to fund the purchase of your coin if your name on the app does not match exactly with your name on your bank account. Another very important thing to verify before you download your crypto app and your wallet is if that app and wallet are supported in your country. Keep in mind that the internet is global. Therefore, just because an app or a wallet is listed on the internet, it does not mean it is supported by the laws of your country. So Google if that platform is supported in the country you live in before you download it. The 2 keys your wallet generates for you are a public key and a private key. Your public key is, in a way, the address to your wallet. You share your public key with others when they need to make a payment in cryptocurrency to you. With the public key, they can send that crypto payment directly to your wallet. It is safe to share your public key with others. Public keys are for sending coins to your wallet only. They do not give anyone access to your crypto funds. You also need your public key for your personal use. When you buy a crypto coin, you use your public key to send it to your personal wallet. Now, let's talk about your private key. The private key is like an authentication signature that proves that you are the owner of the funds stored in the blockchain ledger and grants full access to your crypto funds. For this reason, you should never share your private key with anyone. You must keep it safe and completely secret. Now let's talk about custodial and non-custodial wallets. If your digital wallet is a custodial wallet, it means that the provider keeps your private key securely and safe for you. But if your digital wallet is a non-custodial wallet, then the responsibility to keep the private key is entirely yours. All cold wallets or hardware wallets are non-custodial wallets, of course, and you have full responsibility to keep your private key safe. In addition to the public key and the private key, your wallet also generates a recovery phrase. A recovery phrase is sometimes referred to as seed phrase. A recovery phrase or seed phrase is a sequence of 12 to 24 words that serves as a master key to recover your wallet should anything happen to it. It is recommended to write down your recovery phrase and store it offline in a secure place, a place that you will be able to remember so you can find it in case something ever happens to your wallet and you need to recover it. The process of recovering a lost, damaged, or stolen wallet is as follows. You need the email address you opened the wallet under, and you need your recovery key phrase so you can provide it to a crypto wallet recovery service to recover your wallet. Also, you can check your wallet's provider for backups. Some wallets providers offer backup methods, such as cloud backups or encrypted backups. Contact your wallet provider's customer support. They may be able to assist you, but the process is complex and requires identity verification, and it is time-consuming. For this reason, it is imperative that you keep a manually written record of the email address you opened your wallet under, written with the public key and your recovery phrase, and keep this manually written record in a safe place. Now let's talk about Bitcoin ATMs. For those interested in buying crypto coins with cash, BTMs or Bitcoin teller machines are available. BTM machines are usually located at malls, supermarkets, and even at drugstores and convenience stores. Some BTMs support only Bitcoin, while others offer a wider range of options. To use a BTM, you will need the following: a Bitcoin-compatible crypto wallet that is already set up, your cash or a debit card, your cell phone, and a valid photo ID. Keep in mind that BTMs will need your public key to deposit your coins directly into your crypto wallet. But also keep in mind that BTMs don't send coins to another person's wallet, and they don't make crypto payments to someone else for you. Some BTMs only support Bitcoin, while others offer a wider range of options. Also, BTMs don't accept credit cards. They accept only cash or a debit card. As you begin your cryptocurrency journey, remember to start small. You can start with as little as $10 and buy more at your own pace. Stay informed through reliable sources and always verify information rather than relying on rumors. And before we end, again, keep in mind that this information is meant as a basic starting point for beginners. Cryptocurrency markets and technology change frequently, so it is very important to stay up to date and conduct thorough research to be better equipped to buy your crypto coins with confidence.
Thank you for watching Esther Spa Crypto for Women, our second lesson on cryptocurrency for beginners. Have a good day.